Distinguished listeners, welcome. Today, we will address a vital aspect of digital security, the configuration of VPN Tunnel. This application offers a practical means of enhancing your online protection. Let us proceed through the necessary steps to ensure your device is properly secured. Begin by accessing the Google Play Store on your Android device. In the search bar, enter VPN Tunnel. Carefully select VPN, verifying the application name and icon to ensure authenticity. Tap Install. Once the installation is complete, open the VPN application. Locate the menu icon, typically represented by 4 horizontal lines. Tap this to access the application settings. Within the menu, select Online Update. This step ensures the application is utilizing the latest server configurations, essential for optimal performance. Allow the application time to update its resources. This may require a brief wait. Next, tap Add Time. This will extend your session. Choose Auto Server. This allows the application to automatically select the most appropriate server based on your current location and network conditions. Select UDP as the network protocol. UDP typically provides a balance of speed and reliability. Tap Connect or Start. This initiates the VPN connection process. Allow the application sufficient time to establish a secure connection. Once the status displays connected, your device is operating with the enhanced security of VPN. This concludes our configuration guide. By following these steps, you've significantly improved the security posture of your mobile device. Thank you for your attention.